Hi, today we will be seeing about the incremental import. Here there is a sample table which contains 500 rows, and if you see here it's just this random data. Now the last column is 500. Let's import this in HDFS using Sqoop, where we are doing the normal import now on the first import. Now on the second thing, now the data, if it's incremented, now after 500 the new rows are being added, how to import that data. That is what we are doing today. So it's just importing the data from sample table to HDFS. Yeah, 500 record. Now if you do the ls here, you can see the directory name, incremental table. If you see, you can see the part table, part file which contains the actual data. If you see tail-n, it is the last 10 records of that file. So after this, now see, there is a 500 is the last record which we have. Now let's add some records in this file. In this file mock data 2, I have from 500 to 1000 more rows here. Let's add these records into the sample table. Simply loading the data, 500 record added. Now the records are 1000, which the last record it is 1000. Now let's import. Now while importing, we are doing incremental append, and here we have to give two parameters. First is check column. Check column means normally we give the primary key, or you can give the column which is unique as well. And what was the last value we imported? It was 500. So last value is 500. So this will exclude the 500 and import only the records from the 500. Means it will not import 500, it will import 501 2 like this. So now it is importing on the same directory. A new file will be created, and it is also shows that incremental import is being happening. Yeah, now it retrieved 500 records. If you check it now here, it should the last records it contains 1000. Okay, now after this, if you see here, every time now the new files is created, so it also is saying that, so giving some information about the incremental append, check column id. Now last value is 1000. So we can create a Sqoop job using this information, so that it would be very easy for us to remember uh, the values what we imported in the last session. So now I have created a Sqoop job over here and sample import, and there are many things we can do with this Sqoop job: create, delete, exec, help, list. So we just created the Sqoop job. We can see the more details about the Sqoop job. If we see, it contains all the details about what that Sqoop job contains. Its number of mappers, the last row, connection string, table, where it should dump the, on which mode it should import, and all those things. So we will discuss more about Sqoop job on next video. Thank you.